Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment at plus 0.75, coupled with a momentum of plus 0.43, which is significantly above the historical baseline. This surge indicates a pronounced shift in market sentiment, likely driven by a specific event or news piece impacting the financial landscape. With our Finance Sentiment API, you get structured insights that include sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters to help you pinpoint exactly what's driving these changes. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithm, allowing it to adapt in real time to shifts in sentiment and momentum. You could leverage these insights to optimize entry and exit points on your trades. If you want to dive deeper into this, check out the full documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's unlock the potential of sentiment together.